Okay, today your training is in calculations in the building industry, and to complete this section what we need to do is to click on these 4 tabs down the side here: carpentry game, measurements, calculations and area. Now we'll click on them one by one, so just start at the top and work your way down to the bottom. So I'll click on one. This will bring up a new page. So in measurements, click on the enter button below to begin your training. Click on enter. This will bring up another window on your computer screen. Now you can resize this window and drag it around. So simply drag it around, just hold your cursor on the top there, click on the left mouse button and drag it into the middle. And to resize it, just scroll down until you see the double arrow, and then click on your left mouse button and simply drag that down until you get a nice viewable size. Now to complete this one here, you just simply go down to on your left hand side here, start your way over the top and work your way down the bottom, and then simply scroll with your mouse, a little wheel on the top, just scroll down, read all the resources, and if it's got questions in, just simply answer the question by clicking on the relevant answer. And then once you've completed that section, completed all the questions in there, to close the window, just click on the right X on the top there, and I'll close that window down there, and then you'll bring up this page here. If you have finished viewing this resource, click here to return to the course page. So click on that, and then simply scroll down back to the section that we're working on, which is calculations in the building industry. Repeat the process for all 4 of them, and then once you're finished and confident enough to attempt the test, simply click on the calculations in the building industry test, and that'll bring up the test page, and then just click on the button below to begin, and that'll bring up your test, and simply just read the question and then select your answer, and in some cases you might need to put an answer in. And then once you have finished the 10 questions in the test, click on the next button, and that'll bring up all your questions there. If you haven't answered any, it'll tell you haven't answered any, and then submit all and finish to complete the test. And that is it. And once you finish that, you can click out. If you've got any problems, just ask your trainer to assist you.